Okay, I got it.
Oh yeah.
So you do that same,
Yeah.
same thing on that side. We won't have to.
Yeah, we won't have to strain ourselves.
Oh, thank God that didn't fall, because that would have crushed my chest plate. Just like,
I'm good. If y'all ain't good, I'm good.
I'm good.
Today, the transmission in the blue truck is acting up again. We just did the valve body and the bumper's coming off apparently. But we just did the valve body on it last week and we thought that would fix it, and it did fine for about 150 miles or so, maybe a little less. Now it's acting up again, so we're gonna take the pan off, check everything out, see if there's any more metal in there, and then see if the valve body is possibly came untorqued, which I don't think it has. And if it's all torqued up, then that means that he needs transmission. So we'll go from there. As you can see, Jacob's hard at work getting the drain plug off. Hopefully I can do this without painting myself. Good job. Let me see it. Hang on, I'm flipping it over. Can't hardly dig in there. Just set it over here to the side. Make sure you bring the O-ring with it. Did you? Nope. I'll have to get it with a pick. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna check out the pan, grab a torque wrench, and we're gonna pick you guys back up and then check all these bolts on the valve body. Try to get some light in here so y'all can see, but y'all can't really tell. So out there, y'all can't really tell because the camera's not wanting to pick it up, and that's lights and glitching it out. But there's a lot of metal in the pan. I don't think it's a valve body, but we're gonna check it, make sure it's torqued. Well, the valve body was completely torqued down, so I don't really know what the plan is from here, but
This is the transmission we're prepping to go in the blue truck. Come out of running truck, it's rusted out. So we're hoping we can get this going. They're pulling, Jacob and Josiah are pulling the drive shafts out, and the skid plate already got that off.
The freaking drive shaft is stuck in here. He said he got a rock in his elbow is what he got.
Hang on.
It falls, it falls.
Just keep on going.
Yeah, bro, this thing's stuck in there, man. Get off these and it's sliding away from me. There we go. Thank God you had it with my face.
I got it.
Okay, put it in the back of the truck.
so we got the drive shafts out, and that's all we're gonna do for today. We're gonna tomorrow, I guess, get the transmission unbolted from the bell housing and get it out and everything. But for now, that's it.
Jacob be working on the transmission removal on this truck. He's going to get the bolts out of the torque transfer case, get all the electrical connections disconnected, shifter disconnected. We already got the drive shafts out yesterday. On the dually project, we're going to be putting in the torque converter bolts, put some Loctite on them, tighten them down, put in the bell housing bolts and the motor mount bolts. And that's a project for none other than Josiah and Caleb. All right, today we'll do some mounting. Jacob's setting up to take the cross member off so we can pull the transmission, and we got Josiah and Caleb over here putting turbo on, doing a few fixing ups before we perfect. That's exactly how the wire's supposed to run. And that tube goes down in there. You got to find an 8. You got to get an 8mm.
I'm gonna have to bend it down too right here. It's like it's been bent up right here.
Yeah, it probably has.
But I was thinking that's why.
But right now we're taking off that cross member right there. Get the jack under the transmission. We're going to try and drop the transfer case.
Finding a breaker bar. If we put it back on that magnet where it goes, we wouldn't.
Okay, I get it.
Oh yeah.
So you do that same,
Yeah.
same thing on that side. We won't have to.
Yeah, we won't have to strain ourselves. There you go.
Set it down just a little.
For real.
Alright, jack it up.
No, it's okay. We're pulling it out.
Okay. Losing a lot of fluid.
Yeah,
You
well,
need
it's
to get
not spilling on me this time, so that's
either
good.
jack it up or let it down.
Yeah,
Yeah, let it down just a hair or something.
Yeah.
See what happens. I think we might be.
I'm worried about that line. There we go.
Is she out?
Yes, she's coming out.
Set it down, Joe. Easy.
Now, hey, wait.
You got to get off the torque
Wait,
converter.
the torque converter is still on.
It's attached to the truck, right?
Yeah.
That's fine. Let's just
Okay.
get the.
Let's get it out completely. Okay, you can start lighting it down.
Pretty easy because I got all these transmission lines. Hang
I
on.
got a lot of fluid right here.
I need to angle the front of the transmission back towards that way. Let me see that pry bar, dude.
Out.
Pull it back.
And now my finger's stuck.
Let it down some more. Hold it.
Alright, roll it.
All the way down.
So
look
out,
Jacob.
It's out. Let me move. We'll move.
How are we gonna get this thing out? We're gonna
Get it
have
off the jack and then we're going to slide out.
let's get something and put it 6 or 8 bolts.
8. Just making sure that
I
you
think
know.
it's 6.
Yeah, I do too.
I think
I think Josiah's an idiot. He just hit me with a bolt. I'm just kidding. Oh, thank God that didn't fall because that would have crushed my chest plate.
That's all the way down.
Today we're gonna throw this transmission in the truck. We've got everything ready. We've got all that stuff pulled.
We gotta figure it out.
I'm good. If y'all ain't good, I'm good.
I'm big. I gotta do it.
That was easy.
I usually don't spill in. On the boat video.
Already
When
held
we
on
was
it.
eating it. So that thing weighs almost heavy. This is our mood this morning right here. This is week 2, going into week, I think, what, ain't it week 2 working on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, going into week 2. We got the new transmission put in yesterday. Today we got to try to get the transfer case in and get some cross members in, hopefully. So maybe get a few more things done.
This teak tube, and then do the fender well. Then somebody will do the wiring harness around the transmission, and the shifter, and the lines.
Don't we have to solder that thing onto the starter though, outside the truck?
I don't think we can get to it from up here.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
It goes so slow.
What I'm doing right now is I am moving this bolt very slowly because it likes to have a little bit of resistance, and then this wrench only turns about a quarter of the turn that it's supposed to turn, technically.
End result makes you not want to be alive anymore.
Which end result makes me very mad and sad, both at the same time, which at the combination makes me depressed.
Inside of the spray, maybe.
Imagine if I talked like that. I know what flows where and how it goes and what's supposed to do what. I'm a master. It is finally working.
Just rolling around.
Just wrong.
Is this just a regular 6.0 starter, or we gotta put any kind of
Yeah.
regular 6.0 starter? Now we'll just do starter squats for a while.
Use the little color.
Alright guys, this is I don't even know what day of putting this transmission back in. But these are, I'm pretty sure that this is all we're gonna need. 4 nuts, the mounting brackets for one side and the mounting bracket for the other side.
Cross member in real quick. I think we've only got one.
Alright, we need sockets.
It's it.
And that's all. Well, that's not all, but that's all for that. We have to get this. Oh, hold on. I'll have to try to figure out how to compress this. Oh, yeah. You gotta take this up. Take that up. Yeah. Up like that.
But put the cover back on for reading it.
Putting the skid plate up underneath it.
And I'm gonna check it and see if it's working. Thanks for watching. This is a good transmission. A few months ago, I purchased a single cab rusted out truck with a good engine, good transmission. I'm using the engine and the dually. That'll be a separate video. And I've ended up putting the transmission in this truck. I got that truck for dirt cheap and making good use of the parts of it. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this content. And thanks for watching. Good day.